everyone, welcome back to my channel. Koko Hedon is here, and now I will review a new bag from Gucci. Wow, I think all of you know the bag. This is the GG shoulder with leather detail. This bag was released this year in 2020, but all of the people already talk about it because the design is really look alike soft trunk from the Louis Vuitton. Wow, is it really look like from that? We will review about that. But before that, don't forget to like this video and subscribe this channel. Let's get a closer look from this bag. GG shoulder bag with leather details comes with black white magnetic box, black card, a story seat, and white dash bag. Inside the bag you will get tags, cards, and control auto, and this is GG shoulder bag with leather details. This bag covered by monogram canvas of Gucci signature. The shape is more like a trunk. It's rectangular with 90 degrees in each corner. You will see the brown leather details with some silver studs in every corner of the bag, and this bag only have one tiny strap. I think proportion it's off, the strap must have a little bigger. The strap also connected by brown leather and silver studs. However, I admit it, the size is quite big for a bag, with 23 cm width, 19 cm length, and 10 cm depth. This bag inspired by vintage trunks and travel luggage. The GG Supreme shoulder bag has a square shape, finished with leather corners and zip top closure. Reminiscent of traditional suitcase, the structure design is finished with logo engraved metal fit. Pieces with versatile ways to wear and style embrace each person who is part of the house's individual spirit. The main and only compartment comes with silver hardware with double zipper, so you can easily open or close the bag. If you get any closer, the interior full with red fabric and small compartment for cuts in one side. Sealed by brown leather, as usually they have Gucci letter embossed on the leather and the production code on the back of it. This compartment covered by zipper and silver hardware, so you don't have to worry about mixing your stuff in this bag. Inside them I found the tags, RFID, responsibility codes, and also the control auto. I always save the cards in case I need to sell the bag. If I get bored, the bag will still have the complete stuff. Now I will give the closer angle for each details. The weakness of this bag is on the strap, which is not removable. We cannot change the strap is too thin and adjustment only in 5 holes. The rectangular frame of this bag also covered with brown leather. The bottom of this bag also have silver studs, which will protect canvas of the bag from scratch. This is how I adjust the strap of the bag. I think I need more holes because somehow it's too long for Asian people like me. I will show you what can fit on this bag. I usually bring a lot of stuff in my bag, especially when I go for traveling. I will bring charger. If I go day and night, I really do so much. For vlogging purpose, my DJI Osmo Pocket is a must. Even my sunglasses case is fit on this bag. My card holder, my wallet, 11 Pro Max definitely fit in, small pouch, power bank, and look, still a lot of space, so here we go. So how was the bag? I think everyone loves this bag because this bag is really unisex, not really to woman, not really to men. They can use it wherever they want, and the size is really big. I think you can put anything you want, including your camera or other thing inside this bag. But all of the people already talk about the design of this bag. So I have the soft trunk from the Louis Vuitton, and we can compare the bag. I purchased Louis Vuitton soft trunk since last year. In each side of this bag framed by black leather, the combination of the color is really cool. The chain with orange highlight make this bag really versatile for messenger bag or even a clutch. The strap is also thin, but they have shoulder pad, but I'm not using it, and this is how we remove the chain of the strap. It's easy and really hold each other tightly. And now I will compare the same thing that I put on my Gucci shoulder bag with leather detail. All the stuff can fit in, but I admitted this bag smaller than Gucci trunk. There is no more space in this bag. I think the first thing that we have to compare is the price of these bags. The Louis Vuitton, the soft trunk, is more expensive than Gucci, but if you look at the design, it's really cool and the color is darker than the Gucci because they have the black leather as the frame of the rectangular, so it looks like really a trunk. But if you look at this Gucci shoulder bag with leather detail, I think the borderline on this bag is too thin, and if you look at studs, it's really too shiny on the brown leather. So as the final summary, I will show you one-to-one for the LV soft trunk and Gucci shoulder bag with leather details. I think the last thing is the strap. The strap from Gucci shoulder bag is not removable. We can adjust only from 5 holes here, but if you look at the soft trunk from Louis Vuitton, you can unplug at this bag. You can remove the seal and you can adjust wherever you want, or you can use it only for a trunk without the strap. I think for me it's definitely hard to decide, but I will say if you don't mind of the price, LV soft trunk is so much better. But if you look more bigger trunk or you look more even cheaper trunk, you can purchase GG shoulder bag with leather details. So I think that's it. Thank you for watching till the end. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe this channel. See you again in another review. Goodbye! Now we can compare the bag. I think 1, 2, 3. So how was the bag? I think this bag is really cool because Goodbye!